Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll bring us another brand new airdrop that is running that I want to share with you. And this airdrop is similar to Satoshi app. For those of us that will mine many airdrop through Satoshi app, we know how we have been mining some different airdrop, even the core airdrop that paid some of us very well. It was from Satoshi app that will mine. So this airdrop also is going to be like Satoshi app. They are building something and we are here to follow them up. And in this airdrop, in this app, we have two airdrops that are going to be mining. I'm going to be taking you step by step on how to register for registration, on how to mine those airdrops. And the name of the airdrop is Bitgase. This airdrop that is over here, this particular airdrop that is here, this biggest airdrop web, this biggest webs that is here. I'm going to be showing you on how to register, on how to mine. I'm going to be showing everything that we are going to be getting from the TGE. So without saying much or without wasting much of your time, let us go and see how we are going to get mining. So first of all, to start mining or to start registration, first of all, you're going to see the link of to register under the description of this video, or you can go to our Telegram channel over there and see everything is being breakdown for you. Maybe after watching the video, if you don't understand, you can go to our Telegram channel and see, find out there and read and understand. So for you to do, first of all, copy the link that is going to be under the description of this video, and once you copy this link, go to your browser. So once you copy this link, you can just come to your browser, either the Chrome browser or the Macy's browser, any of them. You can just open them, and once you open it, the next thing for you to do is just to paste it. And once you paste it, just press the enter button. So once you press the enter button and it's enter, it's going to stick you in. You're going to be seeing this. So over here you just have to put in your username. Then over here, make sure you put in your full name on your ID card. Then put in the email you want to use, put in your password, confirm your password, and over here you need to select your country. So let me do it so that people can see. So once you press on the country, you're going to be seeing your continent. You just need to select the country you're coming from, your country that you're in. I'm going to be using Nigeria because I'm Nigerian. Once you're done, you just need to click over to this place, click on it, and it's going to select. So don't forget to fill in your username, your full name, your email. So once you're done, the next thing for you to do over here is to just click on this sign up that is over here. So once you press, it's going to be, they're going to send a code to you. So the next, you just have to go to your email. You can see here in our email, we have copied our code. So we return and paste the code. And once we paste the code, the next thing for us to do is just to click on this verify OTP that is here. Click on it. I'm just going to give it time to verify and log you in. So once they log in for you, the next thing that you need to do over here is to download the APK. You can just download the APK here, or you can continue in the site. So you can download it over here, or you can still continue mining it in the site that is over here. So if you have downloaded the APK, this is how the APK is going to look like. So the next thing is for you to click on it. So once you click on it, the next thing is just need to come and log in into the app. So once you log in, you just need to click on this login that is here. So this is how the app looks like once you log you in. So the next thing, the first thing you just need to do over here is for you to mine the airdrop. So I'm going to be showing you. So if you want to start mining, you just need to come over to this place. They say start now. Click on it, and here we have two airdrops that we are going to be mining. So you just need to come over to this claim that is here. Come over to this claim. So once you click on the claim, so for the first one over here, we have two airdrops that we are going to be mining. We are going to be mining this for 12 hours. There's some ads that are going to be pumping up. Then make sure you just have to cancel it. This has to cancel it. So this one, you're going to be mining it for 6 hours. If you want to see more, just click over here to read the details. I'm going to be making another video to explain all this. I don't want this video to be long. So if you want to see your profile, you just need to come over to this place that they say profile over here. If you come over here, you are going to see your name that you have used, your nickname, your email, your country is going to see. If you want to reset your password, you're going to reset your password over here. And you can see come over to this end that is over here. There's some tasks here for us to do. So here you can claim this free USDT. To withdraw this USDT that is here, the minimum is 10. You just have to click on this like this. As you can see, the countdown is going to be for 6 hours. I will still come back to claim it. That is 6 hours. Then over here, you just need to do all those tasks. You follow them to get more points. Once you come to your assets over here, your asset, you are going to be seeing your coins that you have mined over here, over here, and over here. So this is just all about this airdrop. Please don't forget to like, and please don't forget to subscribe. This airdrop is very easy to mine. Don't forget to jump on this airdrop. We are going to be saying bye for now. I'm going to be seeing you in our next video. Thanks for watching.